Welcome to another video. We are at Guararema.
Guararema City.
Guararema City.
It's more rural
City. We're on top of the city pretty much, on a hill. So we've arrived at the city of
Guararema.
We're gonna have a little coffee break at this restaurant. So we're having the French bread with ham and cheese and tomato and oregano.
We're doing what we do best. Eat.
Just walking down the streets in this little scenic town. River crossing. Some nice music in the background. Ilha Grande. Hey?
He has a trail and the rules are there.
Nice. Oh wow. That's a lot of fish. No idea where we're going, but we're walking. Brazil is definitely about their nightlife because it's 5:45 in the evening, and I guess the party hasn't even started yet. They're now still setting up their little venue for the evening. What would you call this place?
It's like an open market.
Yeah.
We have many slangs for it.
FEIRA.
FEIRA,
Oh,
barraquinhas.
Yeah. It's like soft cake.
On the other
On
one.
the wrong one. Let's use top can spin the longest, I guess. So you could call this, I guess, also like a farmer's market. Oh yeah. Finally, a nice churro, and it's filled with doce de leche, very good, and some other snacks for the night.
Yeah, we had skewers and now we're having chips.